just checked out at Aldi, and I just wanted you guys to see what the total was. It's $137 even. Hi guys, this is Heidi with Kiddos KORAL, and today I'm going to share with you guys my Aldi haul. So let's get started. So I've got some hamburger buns, some hot dog buns, a gallon of milk, 2 things of eggs, a thing of olive oil. I got some red grapes because I'm going to be making some chicken salad this weekend. I got some Brussels sprouts. And I've never actually bought the Brussels sprouts from there, so we'll see how those go. I got some dried apricots, some blueberries, some almonds, some mixed berries, some banana chips, 2 things of the mixed bell peppers, as well as this little bag of these peppers, the mini peppers. Now, I'm a little bit, I will tell you, for the longest time, Aldi's peppers were ginormous. They were wonderful. These bags was actually like 2 times this size. And all of a sudden now it is cut down to this size, and I'm not really thrilled about that because I really liked it when they were a lot bigger. I bought some lightly salted rice cakes for me because nobody else will eat those in this house. I got 2 things of sour cream, 2 things of the whole wheat pasta. This is the spaghetti. I got 4 things of cream cheese because I'm going to be making some recipes for Easter, and I forget what else I need it for. Oh, some chicken Alfredo I'm going to be making, so I've got those. I've got 4 bags of cheese. 1 bag is this here Parmesan cheese that I always buy from Aldi, and the rest is the Mexican style cheese. I did buy a couple Easter things. I got these bunnies and eggs. They're little chocolate bunnies and eggs. I thought I might give that to Skylar. And these are chocolate eggs. And I thought they were really cute. And I think that's going to be Skylar's little present from me, along with a couple little toys. So I got a couple Caesar salad kits. I love these. I love the dressing that comes with them. But I just really honestly love the fact that at lunchtime or dinner time you can dump these in a bowl and they're ready and it's no big deal. I got the spring mix as well because I thought I might do a little bit of mixing this together, and I might not use the dressing that comes with this. I may use my sugar-free salad dressing that is the Newman's Own brand, and because I'm trying to cut down on, you know, what I eat. I bought the seasoned fries. Last time I went to Aldi's, I bought seasoned fries to try, and they are really, really good. And I like them seasoned because I don't want to fry them because they're not as healthy. So I bake them in the oven, and they are delicious. So I got some seasoned fries, and I did get 2 things of hash browns for my hash brown casserole for Easter. So those will go in my deep freezer till Easter time. I got some broccoli florets. Is this broccoli? This is the broccoli stir fry, as well as this one. And then 2 broccoli florets. And then I got some chicken sausage, and this will be really, really good because we love those. I got some little cuties. I got about 6 rolls of, I'm trying to maneuver things around here, 6 rolls of the ground turkey that I buy from Aldi. You see this every month, so I bought about 6 or 7 of these because I still have a good amount of meat in my deep freezer. I got some onions. I got a blueberry muffin mix. Skylar loves muffins, and I thought that would be an easy thing to fix him when he comes over. I also got a chocolate cake mix. We got a birthday coming up in April. However, I am told you can buy a sugar-free cake mix, and I'm going to look tonight when I go to a second store. So we'll see if I can find it. I bought, let's see, some sauerkraut to go on top of the chicken sausage. I love sauerkraut. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know I could just probably make a meal out of this jar and just be happy as can be. 4 cans of tuna and water. We got some pepperoncinis. Let's see, we got some salsa. And I used this salsa, I think, for the first time last month. And it was really, really good. I added some of this to my chicken enchiladas, which I'll be making this month as one of our meals. And everybody thought it was delicious. So that was a big hit. I got a couple of the cream of mushroom. And I got their brand of Rotel, a couple of those, because I put that in the chicken enchiladas. And I got a couple of the cream of chicken, because that goes in my hash brown casserole. 2 cans of the pink salmon. And let me see what this is. Mandarin oranges, because I love these in my salad. It is so delicious. I got 2 cans of that, so that's all that. That is a case of green beans right there. And that is all I purchased from Aldi's this month. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing what I purchased. I'm not having to buy as much now because there's not very many of us left in this household. I only have 1 kid at home. So I'm not having to purchase as much groceries to make it through. But I am going to continue sharing my hauls with you all. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I purchased. Hope you all are doing well. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.